Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating how to do a summary worksheet that pulls data from several other worksheets. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. I'm here on the summary sheet, and I'm going to start in cell B4. So what I want to do in B4 is sum up all of the quantities for widgets from the January, February, and March spreadsheets. So these previous worksheets over here. So I basically want to reach through those three worksheets and add up all of the cell B4s in the three of them. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to go equals sum bracket. Now normally, if this was a normal summing function, I would drag over the range that I wanted to sum up. But since I'm reaching through three different worksheets, I can't actually drag in a third horizontal dimension. So I have to put that range in a little bit more manually. So I'm going to type in the names of the worksheet, January, March. Then I use an exclamation point, and that indicates, it sort of acts as a separator between the names of the worksheets and the actual cell that I want to work with. So then I'm going to put in B4, that's the cell I want to sum up, finish off the bracket, and press enter. And I get 101. If I double click on the fill handle, it fills in the appropriate formulas downward, and in each case it's reaching through January through March through the three spreadsheets and adding up a particular cell. Now I can do the same in these two columns, but I have to be a bit careful here because what I want to sum up here is the extended price, and even though I'm working in column C on this spreadsheet, the extended price is actually in column D on the January through March spreadsheets. So I'm going to use the same logic I used a moment ago. So I'm going to go equals sum bracket January March exclamation point, and this time I'm going to put in D4 and finish off the formula, and then use the fill handle and double click to fill that down. And again, here I can do the same logic, but I have to be careful. The price with GST is actually located in column F on my source spreadsheets. So I can use the same logic, but I have to be careful to put in column F. So equals sum bracket January March exclamation point and F4 close bracket and double click on the fill handle to fill it down. And that's it. Thanks for watching.